Okay guys, in this video we are going to design a set of Father's Day coasters. Alright, and we are just going to import our, let me find them here, our blank coaster set. Alright, this is the box and 4 coasters. So we're going to import that file to use, and then I am also going to import our free lightsaber file. Okay, so I'm going to bring that in, and the first thing we're going to do is zoom in a little bit so you can see better. All right, and I'm using LightBurn this morning, but you can use whatever software you are more comfortable with. For easy, simple designs, I usually just default to LightBurn because everything's there, and then I just send it to the laser. All right, so I'm taking our lightsaber, and this is the lid right here. Oh, whoops, let me put that back. Let me group this together so that doesn't happen. All right, let me move this. This is the coaster storage box, and this piece right here with these notches is the lid. Okay, so I am designing the lid of the coaster storage box. I'm going to duplicate that. I'm going to move it over here, and I'm going to mirror it. Okay, in fact, let's zoom in a little more. Okay, I'm going to take my lightsabers, and I'm going to make sure they are aligned horizontally or vertically, and I'm going to group them together, and now I'm going to make sure they are centered vertically on the lid here, and I think I might just move them down just a hair. There we go. Okay, now we're going to take these lightsabers. I'm going to duplicate them. I'm going to ungroup them for right now, and I am going to rotate them 90 degrees. Okay, then I'm going to take this little guy on the bottom, and I'm going to mirror him so they are facing opposite directions. Do you see that? I'm going to move them a little closer together, and I am going to line them vertically, and then I'm going to bring them up here on one of these coaster blanks, and I'm going to size it so it fits. I'm going to put that right in the middle. I'm going to group them back together. I'm going to duplicate that on all 4 of my coasters, and it's just snapping it right into the center for me, so I know they're aligned great. All right, so now I have my lightsabers on my 4 coasters and on the lid to the coaster storage. Now I'm going to go to font or text, and I am going to type in Star Jedi. If you don't have this font, you can get it on defont.com. I will leave a link for that in the description. So for the box cover, I'm just going to write I am their father. All right, and we're going to bring it up here, and I'm going to put it closer together, and then I am going to resize it so it fits in between the lightsabers just like that, and it is centered. Now if you wanted to add some more stuff above and below, you certainly could. I am just leaving it the way it is. I'm going to convert that to path, and then I am going to weld that. So there is our box. Now I'm going to grab that, shift, grab the lightsabers, group them together. Okay, now for the coasters, all you're going to do there is add the names. So we're going to just write some random names. All right. Let's do this. Alrighty. And now you would just put the names in the coasters, and that's that. Then you send it to your laser, and you have a customized set of coasters for Dad. If you have a portable laser, if you have I believe it's the X-Tool F1, you could do these sets on demand. I would make the box ahead of time, and then you could just add the names to the coasters at local markets and events. You can sell these online. You can make them for family and friends, who are Star Wars fans, whatever. But this is just real quick how to do the custom Father's Day design. If you don't want to take the time to do it, you can also grab the design in the shop. The file will be up there, that you can get it. But I just thought I'd show you how quickly we can make this custom design on the coasters with LightBurn. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.